Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Samsung has finally released the Stable 1 UI update for the Galaxy A15 5G, also known as the Galaxy Buddy 3 in some markets. This update has been highly anticipated by Galaxy A15 users and now it is officially rolling out. The update is currently available in South Korea and comes with firmware version. Along with new features and improvements, Samsung has also upgraded the security patch level from February 2026 to May 2026. This latest security patch fixes 36 security vulnerabilities, making the device more secure and reliable. If you own a Galaxy A15 5G, you can check for the update manually by going to Settings, then Software Update, and tapping Download and Install. Now let's talk about what's new. It brings a refreshed user experience with a cleaner and more modern design. It comes with a customizable quick panel where you can change its position, resize it, or add new shortcuts. Samsung has added a transparent blur effect across different parts of the interface, giving the software a more premium look. Animations are smoother and the overall experience feels more polished than before. The update also includes various improvements to Samsung apps, system performance optimizations, and better stability. Users can expect a smoother day to day experience after installing the update. One important thing to remember is that while the Galaxy A15 has received many One UI features, it doesn't get every feature available on Samsung's flagship phones. Some premium features are still missing. For example, Galaxy A15 users do not get call screening, Creative Studio, Apple AirDrop, Photo Assist, and several advanced Galaxy AI powered tools available on higher end Galaxy devices. Samsung continues to reserve some of these features for its flagship smartphones and tablets. However, considering the price category of the Galaxy A15, it is good to see Samsung bringing most of the Core One UI 8.5 improvements to the device. Many budget and mid range phones from other brands often receive fewer software enhancements. Another interesting point is Samsung's software update commitment. The Galaxy A15 launched with Android 14 and One UI 6. Samsung promised four major Android OS upgrades for the device. With Android 16, the phone has already received two major Android version updates. With this rollout, Samsung has now delivered One UI 8.5 to all eligible Galaxy smartphones. The company can now fully focus on the development and testing of One UI 9, which will be based on Android 17. So, if you are using a Galaxy A15 5G, let us know in the comments if you have received the One UI update and what new changes you have noticed after installing it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.